Welcome. Today we are stepping into a version of reality where your dreams have already come true. Visualizing in your mind first is an extremely powerful way to train your subconscious mind to recognize and attract all tiny, meaningful clues that guide you closer to your desired outcome. By embracing this vision now, you are aligning with the life you want and creating a clear path for it to flow into your reality. Find a quiet space, relax, and allow yourself to fully experience what it's like to live in the life of your dreams. Focus on deep breaths. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. Allow your body to relax completely. Feel your body heavier as you breathe in deeply. Connecting to this moment. In your mind's eye, picture a door in front of you. It has your favorite color inviting you to come closer. You feel called by it. As you step through it, you enter a world where every desire you've had in your heart has already come true. You are standing here in a life that has transformed in all the ways you've hoped for. Your success is complete here, and you are on the other side of the journey. Look around in this space. What do you see? Maybe it's a home you envisioned, or a place that feels safe, beautiful, and abundant. Or you see loved ones celebrating your achievements with you. Notice every detail around you. Listen closely. Are people congratulating you? Is there music in the background? Or maybe you are enjoying the peaceful silence of having arrived at this place of fulfillment right now. Now imagine a small symbol of that moment. Maybe it's a flower or a coin. Feel the texture of it and the weight. It's solid, it's real, and belongs to you. Taste the sweetness of this victory. Imagine savoring something special, a drink, a meal, a moment of celebration. Feel the satisfaction and joy of this moment. The hard work, the waiting, the faith, it's all paid off. You have everything you've dreamed of, and it feels absolutely real right now. Let it remind you of the journey that you went through. Now bring your awareness to your heart and fill it with overwhelming gratitude. You have received what you wanted. Allow your heart to expand with joy, pride, and a deep sense of peace. You are here because you deserve it. Let yourself feel that completely. You are worthy of all that you have received. Allow this feeling to spread through your entire being. Every cell of your body is celebrating this victory. Feel the warmth of success granting you. You made it. It's yours. Place one hand on your heart. Take a moment to silently say, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the abundance. Thank you for this relationship. Thank you for every step that led me here, to this success, to this other side of my journey. Feel the gratitude for all the lessons, for all the strength that it took, and for every person who supported you along the way. But most of all, thank yourself for holding the vision, pushing forward, and believing in yourself. Allow this gratitude to overflow, radiating from you like a light that fills the room, reaching far beyond you. This light of gratitude signals to the universe that you are ready, that you are aligned with all the goodness and blessings that life offers. As you breathe in deeply, feel this joy, success, and gratitude in every part of your being. Repeat after me, either in your mind or aloud. I am grateful for this success. I am worthy of every blessing I receive. Success and abundance flow to me effortlessly. I am open to even more goodness and joy in my life. Let each word settle in your heart, grounding you in this reality of abundance. Know that you are aligned with success and that even more blessings are coming to you. Now gently bring yourself back to the present moment. Wiggle your toes, feel your hands, feel all the gratitude and joy and excitement for this experience. Remember that this success you envisioned is already a part of your reality. Every step you take from here is bringing you closer to it. When you're ready, take a deep breath. Feeling the energy of success in every part of your being. Gently open your eyes and carry this celebration with you as you go forward, knowing that you are a magnet for the success that you seek. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Every time you return to this meditation, you are creating a real memory of that event that will happen. Your mind doesn't know the difference between what's imagined and what's real. It's already yours. Remember, you are not just visualizing, you are stepping into your future, feeling it deeply and aligning yourself with every beautiful possibility. Until next time, keep those feelings close to your heart, knowing that everything you've dreamed of is on its way to you. You've just felt what it's like to be there, to embody the next level version of yourself. Right now, you are a vibrational match to everything that you desire. You know what it feels like to hold this energy, clarity, and vision of possibilities. Take this mindset, this powerful emotion, and carry it with you, embodying the best version of yourself. When you manifest from this place, grounded in your vision and confident in how good life can be, you easily draw your dreams to you. You're a magnet for them, knowing that everything you've dreamed of is already on its way to you.